The opposition has upped the ante against the involvement of a union minister in the Tamil Nadu medical examination forgery scam. Leaders from the BJP, TDP as well as the left will be meeting the Prime Minister in a little while from now to demand action against the union minister involved in the scam. The opposition is expected to submit a memorandum signed by over 150 MPs to demand an inquiry into which minister was responsible. Remember, Madras High Court Judge Justice Raghupati had alleged that a union minister had asked him to grant bail to a father-son duo who were arrested by the CBI on grounds of forgery in a medical examination scam. And for more on that, let me go across live now to our political editor Navika Kumar in New Delhi. Navika, we do know that the opposition has been upping the ante over this issue, pressurizing the centre to name the minister in question. What's expected at that meeting today?
Well, Niharika, what is expected at that meeting is that unprecedented move. The opposition parties are going to come together. I mean, very rarely has the parliament seen the BJP and the left parties coming together. But this is one such issue where the CPIM, the CPI, the TDP, as well as the AIADMK are joining hands with the BJP. They're all meeting the Prime Minister this morning to submit a memorandum signed by over 150 members of parliament cutting across party lines. And in this memorandum, what is being demanded by opposition parties is that the Prime Minister cannot keep mum on the fact that there is an allegation of a union minister being involved in complete impropriety. Political misdemeanor is what the memorandum calls it. And in this misdemeanor, a union minister has been alleged by a High Court judge that he received a call from a union minister to really look into a particular case in the Madras High Court. Now, that's something that's never happened before. At least no judge has ever said that, and that is being seen as a complete impropriety by the Prime Minister and his cabinet. And call records of the advocate who was actually representing the accused. The opposition has demanded an inquiry into that to find out which minister was involved. What the opposition is saying that Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh should name the minister, and the pressure is back on the Prime Minister on a controversy that had surfaced some 2 or 3 weeks ago.